Hello guys! In this video, I will share with you how to make a shortcut in the Firefox browser. The purpose of making a shortcut is to make it easier for you to visit sites that you often open in the Mozilla Firefox browser. The first step, please open your Mozilla Firefox browser. Then you can pay attention to this small arrow to follow the steps. I will give an example of editing a shortcut that already exists here. Okay guys, that's the way. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you don't miss any videos uploaded on this channel.